Hello everyone, welcome to iExam B. SBI has announced notification for Specialist Cadre Officer in SBI, State Bank of India, and in its Wealth Management Business Unit. Most of these positions are contractual in nature. These are not permanent job, and most of these again require your work experience. So I will tell you when you need to stop this video if do not have any work experience, and there are large number of cadres, different requirements. So I am not going to cover everything in detail. You have to read notification yourself. I am just giving you an overview. For the respective position, you have to check yourself whether you are eligible, what kind of work is required, what kind of salary, because this is contractual. So salary ranges from 6 lakh rupees to 99 lakh rupees per annum. Don't get overexcited because 99 lakh rupees is for very experienced people. So you have to check all this detail. Let me tell you about important vacancies here. And one important part in all these, there is no written exam. The selection is based on your profile. You have to submit the profile. You will be shortlisted for interview. Executive FI and MM, this is financial inclusion work, and senior executive, social banking and CSR, corporate social responsibility, 241 vacancies. Here freshers can apply. For senior executive, you need work experience. 85 vacancies. Package is 6 lakh rupees per annum and 10 lakh rupees per annum respectively. Shortlisting and interview is done. Initially it is for 3 years and can be extended for another 2 years, so it can go to 5 years, and again we don't know after that what bank is going to do. So for executive level position, you need graduation in rural economy, agriculture, allied subject, horticulture as 4-year course. So don't ask me, I have done 3 years but my degree is BSc agriculture, am I eligible? No, you are not. It is completely written 4-year full-time course, no correspondence degree, and post graduation is preferred. Knowledge of rural economy and computer knowledge is preferred. So when you submit your biodata, you write all this, what work you have done, what studies you have done, why you are suitable for this. No prior experience is required as such, but if you have done some work in some NGO, some project, whatever, please mention, that will be helpful. And if you have any specific question, in the description I am giving you the link. You can ask your exact question by filling that form. At senior executive level, 3 years work experience is required. Here all graduates, now 4-year graduation is not required, but 3-year work experience is required as on 31st March 2020. Of this, 2 years shall be in the rural areas. And if you have experience in microfinance, rural finance, it is very lucrative for you. Large number of people, those who are working in microfinance company, now can think for a 10 lakh rupees package in SBI. For executive, maximum age 30 years. For senior executive, maximum age is 35 years. And these are the age relaxations. Please go through the detailed notification. Link is given in the description. Roles and responsibility, almost everything whatever you do for rural and agriculture banking, and similar is in case of senior executive, higher responsibility. You have to read it very carefully before you apply. Selection will be based on shortlisting and interview. Mere fulfilling the minimum qualification does not mean that you will be called for the interview. That's why I am writing that when submitting the application, write carefully about what work you have done, what are your achievements, so that your profile becomes more attractive and you are shortlisted for interview. If you have any question on that, with the help of our expert, we can reply to you. Ask in the link given below. And for any other exam, practice free mock test at iExam B. In this exam, there is no written exam, so no mock test. Now, if you don't have any work experience, this much information is enough. Stop watching video now. You may skip, because rest of the positions are for experienced people. This is in digital relation, analytics, digital marketing. Maximum age 35 years. Similar kind of contract, first for 3 years, then it can be extended for 2 years, 12 lakh to 20 lakh rupee pay package. And also understand here, these are contractual jobs, so pay package is negotiable. That is also mentioned. For senior executive, you need BE, BTech with minimum 60% marks in computer, information technology, electronics, electrical, communication. MBA is preferred. Minimum 4-year work experience after the degree. For senior executive analytics, similarly, minimum 4-year work experience in the field of strategy data analytics So wherever you are applying, you have to have relevant experience with relevant degree. And also for digital marketing, you have to have minimum graduation. They are giving preference to post graduation or specialized degree. So when you are applying, please don't forget to mention what all you bring, any certificate, any diploma. Make your profile stand out. I am telling you, otherwise you will not be even called for the interview. Minimum qualification, many will be eligible, but write your application very well. This is a faculty position in State Bank Staff College in Kolkata. There are 3 vacancies, 28 years to 55 years, a large range. Again, minimum 3-year experience is required, and selection is going to be based on your profile and your interview. For State Bank Institute of Leadership in Kolkata, salary is varying from 25 lakh to 40 lakh. So this is written negotiable. CTC is negotiable. So depending on your profile and your existing salary, they can give you the package if they feel. And these are the permanent position. Wherever they have written MMGS 3. MMGS 3 means Middle Management Grade Scale 3. So when you join SBI PO, you become a Scale 1 officer. This is taken at Scale 3 level, means after 2 promotion. After Scale 1, Scale 2, Scale 3, Product Manager, Manager Data Analytics, Manager Digital Marketing. These are the age limits here. You have to apply on the website. Understand what are the specific qualification and specific skills required. I am not reading all. And for SME Credit Analyst, there are 20 vacancies, 25 to 35 age group. This is also a regular post, permanent post, based on shortlisting and interview. Many of you, those who are working in bank and have qualifications like CA, MBA Finance with 3 years work experience will be eligible to apply. So here salary they have not mentioned because this is a regular post. So as per the Scale 3 salary you will get, you can see that in the notification. And this is for senior level positions like Head Product Investment and Research. See, the salary is ranging from 80 lakh to 99 lakh 62,000, so almost a crore rupees package. And then other positions are also there: Central Research Team, Portfolio Analytics, Data Analytics, salary ranging from 25 to 50 lakh, Central Research Team 7 lakh to 10 lakh, Investment Officer, Project Development Manager, Relationship Manager, Team Lead. So all these salaries are negotiable, and your appointment is subject to first you being shortlisted for interview and then your final selection. These are the number of vacancies here. Category wise it is mentioned, and age. So the senior the post, higher is the maximum age limit. And most of these postings are in Mumbai, but some are in Pan India also. But wealth centers are mentioned here because wealth centers are not in very small branches or in small places. So you will be posted in any of these places for all India positions. For senior positions, of course, you will be in head office in Mumbai. And these are the requirements. So for head product investment and research, so this is a minimum experience, 12 years. Does not mean that with 12 years you will be selected. Salary is going even to a crore rupees, right? Your experience and your education qualification matters a lot here. If you feel you are having experience and education in all these positions, read it carefully. Go to the actual notification which you can download from the SBI website. These are the key responsibilities. You have to apply only when you feel you are suitable for that particular cadre. You have that required work experience, and mention that carefully. Understand what are the KRAs for different positions. All these details are mentioned in the notification. Separate notification for separate profile. While sending the call letter for interview, they will not send any hard copy, so you have to keep your email communication prompt. So always be aware that email can come to you, and selection is based on the interview. Deputy Manager Audit. Many of you working in banks will be eligible here also. 8 vacancies, 21 year to 35 year age group. Shortlisting based on interview. Minimum 2 years post qualification experience. And not only in bank, in other firms having any experience in audit, information security, you have to be BTech in IT, computer science, computer applications, electronics, instrumentations, and compulsory CISA pass. Those who are in audit, system audit, they do it. And then there are vacancies for Vice President Stressed Asset Marketing, Special Situation team chief manager level, this is a regular position. Scale 4 officer, senior management position, and deputy manager, scale 2 position. This VP contractual position. These are the age vacancies. For contractual position, salary range is given, negotiable. For regular position, as per the grade eligible. Again, you have to read all these. These are the scales for regular positions. As happens everywhere, in SBI you will get more benefit, and for VP level it is 40 to 43 lakh CTC, negotiable. Chief Officer Security, the candidate has to be served at the rank of brigadier or above in army, or a person of equivalent rank in Navy, Air Force, Police of the rank of IG, retired before 1st April, 3-year contract, salary of 1,40,000 per month. Hope some of you will get benefit of these positions. It will help in your career progression. If you have still not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now, press the bell icon, and for any question related to career guidance, you can fill the survey. The link to it is given in the description.